Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In this video, you will see how to create and customize charts in your dashboards. The main functions of a chart are to display data and invite further exploration of a topic. Charts are used in situations where a simple table won't adequately demonstrate important relationships or patterns between data points. To add a chart, click on the chart icon in the component area. The data setting area has three main items: value, argument, and series. In our example, I choose the sales amount column and the default aggregation function sum. Biwee displays the total sales amount of my data. If I drag the sales date as an argument, Biwee will split the sales amount by year. I can then choose the level of granularity I want. You can then enrich this chart with other indicators. For example, I want to add the sales objective per year next to the sales amount. If I want to display the quantity sales on the chart, I can drag the quantity field into the value area below the sales amount. Since the quantity is not of the same magnitude as the other two indicators, you have the option to indicate that the quantity will use a separate scale. To do this, I click on the bar icon next to my indicator, and in the Common Options tab, I check Plot on Secondary Axis. The quantity can be more readable as a plot line above the sales amount and cost bars. To transform the bars into curves for the quantity, you select Line in Series type. Finally, in the Option tab for the point labels, you can specify whether you want to display the value of the indicator in the chart. You can add additional information in your chart using the series data item. The series can be displayed as bars, stacked bars, plot lines, or other types of visualization, according to what you want to analyze. For example, in this chart we analyze the sales amount by year. If we add the country in series, we compare for each year the sales of each country. If we prefer to see the contribution of each country to the whole, you can use stacked bars. You can change the colors of the graph. Using the cogwheel, then go to the Layout tab and select the colors for each country. You can change the parameters for the X and Y axis, change the title for Y axis, and change the format into currency. On charts, you can add conditional formatting to highlight certain points according to a specific condition, either by right-clicking on the field that will be used to define the conditional format rules, or by right-clicking on the chart component and selecting Edit Rules. In this example, we are going to highlight in red the sales that are under 100 millions and highlight in green the sales that are above 100 millions. To learn more about all the available functionalities, refer to the online documentation.